Hello and welcome back to Lesson 11B. Oh dear. Question 1. Like I said, we should have reviewed the 11B oh dear, and now you're ready to go do the question, so let's look at it. So question 1. Good question. Alright. Same thing. Okay, so try and find delta P. Remember, delta P, basically, like population 2000 minus population 1999. So of course, 34 was gotten by taking 74 minus 40. That gave us 34. So 135 minus 74 looks like 61. And 244 minus 135 109. Then 437 minus 244. 437 minus 244. 4193. Okay. And this 0.85 we got by doing the 34 over 40. Let's verify that. 34 divided by 40 is 0.85. So this guy should be then 61 over 74. Oops, wrong button. 61 divided by 74, not minus. 0.82. Okay. He should be 109 divided by 135. So 109 divided by 135. 0.81. Around the 2 decimal places. 0.81. And lastly, 193 divided by 244. (193) divided by 244. 0.79. So let's see. It looks like we're going down. 0.3, 0.1, 0.2. Probably looks like about 0.02 on average. Check answers. Well done. Woohoo. And how much did the growth rate change from 1997 to 1998? Growth rate changed from 1997 to 1998. So that should be 0.82 minus 0.85 for 0.03 negative. Okay. Ooh, numbers are changing, shifting. Notice that change and growth rate are not filled out for the first year of 1996. Gotcha. Because there was no value for 1995. Assume that the growth rate for 96-97 is about the same for 97-98. And estimate the growth rate for 1996. Alright. So, let me make a few, clear up some mess here. This was minus 0.03. They're saying let this also be minus 0.73. So if I take 82 and add 0.03, I get 0.85. So let's go with 0.85 and basically, subtract that from it, which actually means plus. So I get 0.88 should be the answer. And that's correct. There we go. You can also look at it as change of growth rates would be whatever 0.85 minus, here's my x, don't know what it is, but that would have to be minus 0.03 also. I subtract 0.85 both sides. Of course, go to the negative on both sides, we get the same thing. Okay, so question one done. It was not a question, it was it was involved. It had a number of parts to it. Table B, C. Four parts if you just go strictly by the table being one part. Okay. So now, why don't you go back and do it yourself now. Do it yourself. And once that's done, start working on Stephanie. We'll work with Stephanie for the workbook tutorial. PDF copy the workbook, upload it, then work on the practice assignment. And that'll be it for lesson 11B. And I will see you eventually for lesson 11C preview tutorial. I'll see you then. Till then, have a nice night.